Hello everyone and welcome to part 5 of the 9th grade math course. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to combine like terms. Make sure to watch all the other 4 parts before continuing with this part. Enough with the intro, let's get started. When we are trying to simplify an expression, for us to fully simplify that expression, we need to combine all terms that share the same variable and add or subtract constants. Here are some key terms we need to know. Number 1 is coefficient. That is the number in front of the variable. Example is 5x. The coefficient is going to be 5. Number 2, variable. Variable is the letter that represents an unknown value. That can be any letter. Examples are x, y, z, etc. Number 3, constant. Constant is a number without a variable. That means any number. So 7, -3, 5, etc. Here are some examples. Example number 1 is 4x plus 3. 4 is the coefficient, x is the variable, and 3 is the constant. Number 2, -16 plus 7x. 7 is the coefficient, x is the variable, and -16 is the constant. Now for example number 3, I want you guys to try and find which one is the coefficient, the variable, and the constant. The coefficient will be the number that's in front of the variable. So we can see that it says -9.9 x plus 1. So the coefficient will be -9.9. And the variable will be x, and the constant is just the number without the variable, so that will be the constant, and that is 1. To combine like terms, we must follow these 4 steps. Step number 1 is to identify like terms, same variable or constants. Step number 2 is to add or subtract coefficients for variable terms. Step number 3, add or subtract constants separately. And last step, rewrite the simplified expression. Now, let's look at a problem. So it says 4x plus 3x minus 2 minus 6x plus 15 plus 4. What we learned from combining like terms is that we have to combine 4x, 3x, and 6x. So let's do that first. 4x plus 3x is 7x, and 7x minus 6x is 1x, or just an x. If the variable is alone, meaning it's only written as x, it always has an invisible 1 in front of it. And if it's negative, it will have a negative invisible 1. So now that's done, let's combine the constants. -2 plus 15 plus 4. So -2 plus 15 plus 4. So -2 plus 15 is 13. Plus 4 is going to give us 17. This is a positive 17, then that means that the final answer is going to be x plus 17. Okay, let's move on to the next example. So x plus 5x minus 8x plus 7. First, we must identify the like terms. So we have to find the coefficients and the variables. So first is x, which as I told you before, if a variable doesn't have a number in front of it, then that means it has an invisible 1. So that's going to be 1x plus 5x, which is a coefficient, minus 8x. And 7 is the constant, so we're not going to be combining that with the coefficients and the variables. So 1x plus 5x, that equals 6x minus 8x is going to give us negative 2x. And now we're going to put plus 7. So our final answer is negative 2x plus 7. Or we can write this as positive 7 minus 2x. Both of these simplified versions will give us the same answer when we find out what x represents. Now it's time for you guys to try. Pause the video, and once you finish, unpause the video. First, we have to identify the like terms. 18 is a constant, so 18 and 1 is also a constant. X is a variable, 3 is a constant, and these two are coefficients. 18 plus 1 minus 3. 18 plus 1 is 19. Minus 3 is 16. And now let's identify the variables and coefficients. So this is a variable x minus 4x minus 2x. As we know, any variable that is alone always has an invisible 1. So 1x minus 4x minus 2x. 1x minus 4x is negative 3x. And negative 3x minus 2x is negative 5x. So the most simplified version is going to be 16 minus 5x. Or you could say negative 5x plus 16. And both of these are correct. Comment down below if you got that practice question correct. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to practice, and I'll see you in part 6.